This is to help you look ahead at coterminal angles and reference angles. To start, we're going to talk about coterminal angles. Coterminal angles have the same initial side and terminal side, but the values of the angles are different. Let me show you what I mean. So if I had an angle that was, let's say, 120 degrees. So this angle is 120 degrees. Its initial side is here. Its terminal side is here. Now there's another angle with that same initial side and terminal side. If I measured it in a clockwise direction, the angle is no longer 120 degrees. It has a negative measurement of 240. So this angle, this negative 240 and this positive 120 are coterminal. Now it seems like the only thing you could have is a positive and negative angles like that. However, there are an infinite number of measurements because I could also have another positive one that went like this all the way around to here. Now it still has the same initial side because here's where it started, but then it rotated around and ended at the same terminal place. So what does that represent? Well, a circle is 100 or 360 degrees. I started out with 120, so I end up with 480 degrees. So you can do this in a general form. Your theta, there's the measure of your angle, plus 360 degrees, and any integer value is going to be that general form. You could also do the same thing but use pi or 2 pi. So you could have your angle in radians plus 2 pi k. And the notes will go in more detail. Now a reference angle is a little bit different. So if I had an angle, that same 120 degree angle, reference angles are always in reference to the x-axis. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the entire x-axis. They're also always less than 90 degrees. So here, my reference angle would be to the negative side of the x-axis. I know from here to here is 90 degrees. This whole measurement was 120. All the way across is 180. So I know that this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, I could have another one, let's say here. Now this time I'm going to have to measure it going this way. Okay, so let's say that my original angle was 300 degrees. That leaves this as a negative 60 would be my reference angle. And the notes will go into more detail for you.